Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last video we learned what HTML is and its basic structures. Today we will explore some of the most important used HTML tags like headings, paragraphs, link, and images. These tags are the building block of any website or web page. Let's jump right in. Headings. Headings are used to organize contents. HTML offers 6 levels of headings from H1 to H6. H1 being the largest and H6 being the smallest. Now let's look at paragraphs. To add text on our web page, we would use P tag. P stands for paragraph. In HTML, almost every tag has a closing tag. So here is an example. The opening tag P, and then we have this is a paragraph of text on a web page. And then we have the closing tag of P. The way we close a tag is we put slash in front of it. Now let's look at the links. Links are used to redirect a user to a different website. They are created by using a tag. Then we provide a href attribute which basically specifies where the link will take you. So over here in this example we have a href and then we have the website address. Between the opening a and closing a tag we have click here to visit example. This is the text that people will be able to see on the web page, and when they click on this they will be redirected to https://example.com. Now let's look at the image tag. To add an image we'll use the img tag. It requires a source and an alternate text attribute. The way image tag works is it will start with the img and then we have the source which is src, and then we will put down the path or the location of the image along with the image name and the image format. After that, we will have the alternate text, which is what we want to display in case if the image doesn't load. Let's combine these tags to create a simple web page. First, I'm going to open up my WebStorm and I'm going to create a new project. So you click on new project and then you can give the location, create, and I'll just say create from existing source because I already have a folder over there. Once it's created, you'll see WebStorm open up. In my folder, I have Google_logo. WebStorm itself created index.js and package.json. For now, we are only going to focus on HTML. So we will look at the JavaScript and JSON files in future. Now let's create a new file. You can right click, create. You can do a HTML file or you can create a file. For this tutorial, I'll create an HTML file. You can give a name. I will give it my first web page. Enter. The good thing about WebStorm is it will create a format for you. So now for this, let's go ahead and change the title to My Simple Web Page. Like we looked at the previous video, the head contains metadata like title. For now, I'm going to skip this and keep title to keep it simple. In the body tag, we'll put down what we learned today, which is the H1 heading text. I'll say welcome to my web page. And then we'll go ahead and add a quick paragraph saying this is my first attempt to create a web page. I like to keep it indented. It's easy reading, but you don't really have to keep it indented. It's just preference. And then let's add image and a link. So in order to add a link, we need to have a tag. So let's go ahead and add that, a space href, and I'm going to direct this to https://www.google.com, and then I am going to go ahead, close it, and I'll say click here to go to Google. And I'll go ahead and add the image tag. In this image tag, I'm going to go ahead and add the logo is equal to code Google logo. So this is a good thing about WebStorm. It will help you finish the code. Um, so you can just press tab and then finish the suggested line. And this is it. Okay, let's save it. And then I'm going to go ahead and open Google Chrome. That's the browser I want to use. So go ahead, open Google Chrome, and then you can go ahead and either drag the file from here to Google Chrome, or you can go ahead and open from down there. I know it doesn't look that good right now, but as we go forward, we will be able to use CSS and other items to make it look more beautiful. For now, we are only focusing on HTML. So this is what we have for now. Moving forward, we'll learn more stuff and make it more beautiful, make it more meaningful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.